the smart riding system made for BMW Motorrad. Elevate your riding experience. Quick release operation for BMW connected ride bracket. Automatic CarPlay connection. Direct control via BMW Wonder Wheel. Unlock the connected ride base with the key to release the rear limiter. Insert AIO-5 Play into the base, then turn on the bike's ignition. Use the Wonder Wheel to control the cursor and select the Car Link option. Connect the iPhone using CarPlay. Connect to AIO-5 Play's Bluetooth and select Use CarPlay. Wait a few seconds for the connection to be successful. Use Wonder Wheel to control the cursor. You can easily use apps. Press the turn signal button briefly to confirm and hold it down to go back. Change your destination or switch the music. Connecting with Android Auto is also convenient and quick for Android smartphones. Equip the AIO-5 Play for BMW to elevate your riding experience and enjoy your journey with cutting-edge technology.